What's up, guys? It's Mule RC again. Today we're going to show you guys this 3D flat printed bed that we made that we're going to do as a giveaway. So make sure you guys go to the Facebook page Mule RC to check it out. All the rules and links are in there. I'll put a link of the page on here down below, and same thing with the Facebook page. I'll put a link for this video on there, so make sure you guys go check it out. We're gonna do the raffle on Friday the 22nd. I believe this is Friday the 20th. No, let me check. Hang on. Where's I think it is. Anyways, it'll be on there, so go check it out. But anyways, guys, here it is. This could be yours for free. All you guys gotta do is pay for shipping for wherever you're at. So this is what it is, and this is what it could look like. There you go. So this is one I made for myself personally. But you guys can do the same thing. And if you guys need help, let me know. I'll help you guys out, and I don't mind shipping stuff out to you guys. But you got my pups on there, my toolbox in the back, snap on. So guys, make sure you follow the rules, and we'll see who gets it on Friday. We'll see you guys on the next one.